Hello everyone. This video is a demo of air-cooled welding machine cutting performance. Turn off the machine. In a clean and windless indoor environment, place the welding gun flat on the table. Use a hex wrench to remove jig for wire guide. Put the wire feeder tube in safe place. Reinstall the screw. Use an open-end wrench to disassemble the welding nozzle. Install the cutting nozzle. The focus of welding is at the intersection of welding wire and red light. It is about 5 mm away from nozzle cone. In this case, push out the gauge about 5 mm. Move it outward by about 5 mm. Now it is in 5 mm position, from 0 to 5. Locking nut. The gas was used is filtered air from the air compressor. Check the gas valve of the air compressor. The pressure need to be greater than 0.3 megapascals. It's currently 0.6 megapascals. Suggested pressure range is from 0.5 megapascals to 1 MPa. Check the reducer pressure. Now it is 0.4 megapascals. Pressure range is from 0.5 megapascals to 1 MPa. Right now, I change to 0.6 MPa. Cutting function requires wind with strong pressure to blow away slag. Turn on the machine. Enter the human-machine interface. Locate the welding mode. Click to open. Select the cutting mode. Click to save. The wire feeder is turned off. The feeding parameters do not work. Set the power to the max 1000 west output. The screen does not show air pressure alarm. Click on the monitor. Pressure alarm is off. Please wear safety goggle before enable laser fire. Turn on laser switch. Laser red light will be emitted after 10 seconds later. The nozzle is strictly prohibited to face the human body. Red light alignment process. It need to be done before real cutting. That is dedicated video to show details. I bring it out, but didn't dive into it. Following up, I will test each function before making test. Connect safety lock. It turns green. Enter monitor interface. The safety lock green. In case, release the safety clip. The safety lock indicator is off. Reclamp the safety lock. The green light is on. Metal plate is required when test the laser output. Laser idle. Safety lock and red turn green. Laser fire. Safety lock turn green, red lead turn gray. Air solenoid. Laser trigger. Laser on turn green. These situations indicate that the laser is working normally. Cutting 0.5 毫米 aluminum.